Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by powering the Panda Mouse Pro and getting it visible to your system. Charge the battery to about 80% and plug the USB receiver into an open port. If you prefer Bluetooth, hold the mode button for 3 seconds to enter pairing. Once connected, install the official driver. This unlocks profiles and DPI control. You do this now because the hardware needs firmware handshake before customization. Make sure to allow the driver through your firewall, otherwise the configuration app won't communicate. You now customize sensitivity and controls inside the Panda app. This is where the mouse becomes yours. Select or create a profile, label it for work or gaming, then set DPI stages and choose a polling rate between 125 and 1000 Hz for responsiveness. Next, adjust lift-off distance if you lift the mouse while repositioning. Assign functions to each programmable button, record macros for repeated actions, and save profiles to onboard memory so you carry settings across PCs. Once done, test changes in a target app. Finish by updating firmware through the configuration utility. Always backup profiles before you start, because updates can reset settings. Once updated, test every button, the scroll wheel, and LED modes on a cloth pad and on hard desk surfaces to confirm tracking consistency. Save your preferred profile to the mouse's onboard memory, then switch between devices to verify pairing stability. If something goes wrong, perform a hardware reset. Hold left and right buttons for 5 seconds, repair, and reload your saved profile to recover.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.